Okay, this is March 23rd, 2011, and I'm going to try to get through this fast because my dog is going crazy. We're having a... Let me get on with this. Alright. The daily chart. We came off the highs. I'm looking to test down around the 40.60 to 39.55 area. So, maybe even the 40.39 area. The FE61.8. Now remember, we're still looking for the 44.18, the D of this ABC pattern. Alright, so to the 4-hour chart, since I have to hurry before my dog goes crazy. Alright, so we have A, and we have B, and we're looking for C. I'm thinking C is going to be around the 50%, possibly the 61.8. I'm looking for, in the 50 EMA is here at 40.72. So I'm looking to buy this pair anywhere between, possibly, depending on the lower time frames price action. So when price comes down to this area, this 50 EMA, this 50%, I'm going to be looking at the smaller time frames for a possible entry. So if I was to buy around the 40.56 to 60 area, I would be looking at going in a little lighter than what I would normally go in at position-wise, because I would anticipate adding, if price kept coming down, I would anticipate adding around the 786 level and having a stop below this 100%. Targeting, I would have to figure out the targets once I get my ABC established, but the target would be way up here above 42. So, and this is a 4-hour time frame. So we have A, B looking for C. Okay, whether it's here and I get the right price action and I enter there, and if I do, price keeps coming down, I might have to add, or I might have to enter here, take some pips if I see price action on the smaller time frames telling me nope, we're going to go down a little further, taking my profits, waiting for another dip, something like that. But that's what I'm looking for, this area, for a possible ABC long pattern on this 4-hour chart. And if we look at the 1-hour chart, we have a head and shoulders pattern. Target here is at 40.42. So that's another reason I'm looking for a possible buy around the areas that I mentioned. Here's the left, the head, and the right, and here's the target. So those are, possible areas that I will be looking to possibly buy back to the 4-hour chart here. So looking at the 50 EMA, the 50%, the 61.8, the 786. I'm looking at possible buys in those areas according to price action on the smaller time frames, such as a high volume pin bar. On a smaller time frame, once price gets on the 4-hour chart to one of these levels, I'll be looking for a price action. We have bullish hidden divergence on this 4-hour chart. So that will help confirm a possible bounce off of one of these levels. Okay, so this is March 23rd, 2011. And I'll also put targets out, probably on the blog, if not on the blog, in the chat room. Once I establish a C being established, I'll put targets out at that point, probably in the chat room, maybe on the blog. But I'm finding it a little more difficult to post everywhere on the website so everybody gets updates, and it's just getting very cumbersome. So most of my updates will be done in the chat room. Once I do a daily outlook analysis, most updates will be done in the chat room as to best entries and things like that when the time comes, when the price gets to the levels. Okay, so this is March 23rd, 2011.